I hate to give it up.
Grab the gun right now. Roger that.
RealSimJunkie.com, baby. You're dead.
Coming in this way.
Go, go. fire, cease fire, cease fire, cease fire.
Yeah, man. You'll see Duncan subscribe.
Woo! 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 Yeah!
Junkie! Make it.
You hit me with some junkie, bro. Can you just start handing them out to some folks? Not everybody. Raw.
Yeah.
Come on. Like it big.
Oh no! That was gonna happen. Push me! I did not push you. I tapped you.
Go get some napkins.
Let me quarantine it, guys.
Go get some napkins.
You look like a picnic table, dog. Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. I was gonna say that. I was gonna say that. I was like, yes, I interviewed a picnic table, ladies and gentlemen. All right, bro, you take it easy, man.
It's fun.
Go against the wall. I can't see you. So you're liking the new layout and the whole painting scheme and stuff like that?
It's cool.
A lot more friendlier. Yeah. So I see that you're still rocking like Walmart boots.
Yeah.
Any particular boot maker you would like to shout out? Hey, give me some free boot. All right, all right. I'll give you that. I'll give you that. I'll give you that. For sure. All right. Blue. Really?
Careful, don't hit yourself in the nuts.
So Brent,
What's up?
I noticed you started rocking some new footwear here.
Yes, I am.
What are they?
These are very comfortable.
What are they? Why don't you
Magnum Spiders, Spider Tacticals 8.0.
Oh, look who these. What you guys are.
Yeah, I joined the club, man.
It's
These,
all the
these
same
are amazing.
So how you liking them so far? These are your.
They're comfy. I can stand on them all day. They keep my feet pretty dry too, as well. I mean, as all the reviews have been there, they don't lie. So I mean, Magnum, great boot.
So who did you get? Did you get influenced by anybody in particular?
These two gentlemen and this guy right over here.
It's called the trickle down. It's like the pyramid. I'm up here, then he, then him, then him, and then I'm gonna get the residual from next time.
I love them.
Don't try to add a half. I had mine before yours. Don't say you had a month and a half.
Don't,
You hear month? Oh,
don't
month and a
downplay me,
day.
all right?
Fine, I've had mine for a year.
They are great boots.
They are.
Come
Well, gentlemen.
Hit the power sign line.
Price.
I'm shy, man. I don't like the camera.
Chievosaurus wants to say a few words about.
Chievosaurus been busting his ass in here, and I'm in one of those moods. Rah!
Ooh, who farted? Wendell.
Oh, dude.
Wendell. Wendell. Wendell.
Whatever.
Oh, that smells rank right here too.
We got a pair of tactical glasses,
Sunglasses.
sunglasses, and a $20 or 20% off certificate at revision. 504 6 9 7. This is wrong. He's got a pair of goggles.
All right, explain who you are and where you're from and what did you just won.
Alright, I'm Chris, and these are my pals, Aaron and Aldrin. And I just won the Revision Viper Toes. And these are pretty dope.
Try them on real quick.
Alright, focus on the sunglasses, not the big welt. Don't look at that.
Nice. Congrats, bro.
Thanks, man.
Appreciate it.